Close your eyes.
Yes. Pardon? You don't want to ride a bike, look at it.
You're a very lucky boy to have that.
You run away. Look, Rob. Have a seat here.
And look at Mommy.
Look at that.
Oh, well, we give it to James now. James, you like the bike? Cool. Happy birthday, Robbie.
Where's my kiss and cuddle for that present? Oh. Look at Mummy. You go and tell Mummy you don't want it.
Okay,
The toy's better.
you don't like the bike. You go and talk to me here in the camera. Why don't you like the bike? Why don't you like your motorbike?
Toy better.
You like the toy better.
But that's a toy bike.
That's a toy as well. Yeah, just give a little ride on it.
I thought it was going to be like that.
Hey?